To make your bust appear firm and beautiful, you really don't need to take the route of expensive surgery. All you have to do is regularly perform a few straightforward exercises, all of which can help lift and even improve the shape of your breasts. We here at Come Along have sought out the advice of some specialists to offer you this set of 7 exercises for the ideal bust. Let's start the ride. Exercise 1. Clench your hand into a fist and raise it towards your chin. For about 5 seconds, press your fist with your chin. Relax for 5 seconds. Keep repeating this step for 2 to 3 times. Exercise 2. Bring your hands in front of your chest and join them together. Press your hands together with enough force just to strain your pectoral muscles. Make sure that your back is straight. Exercise 3. Push-ups can help you strengthen the pectoral muscles. If you are a beginner, begin with either doing them on your knees or while resting against a sofa or chair. Place your arms apart from each other on the sides, keeping them as far from each other as possible. Then pull your legs together. When you are pressing your body to the ground, slowly try to move your elbows to the side. Perform at least 3 sets of 12 to 15 push-ups. Exercise 4. First, you lie down straight on your stomach and then hold onto your ankles by bending your knees. If you are a starter, try to hold this position for about 20 seconds and take a break of 10 seconds. Repeat these steps 3 times. As you get better at this, increase the time you hold the position. Exercise 5. Stand about half a meter from the wall while keeping your arms stretched in front of you. Start pressing the wall against your fist. Keep pressing the wall for 20 seconds and then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat this exercise 3 times. Exercise 6. Rest your back on a bench, football, or the floor. Apply pressure on your chest using the dumbbells and start to lift them upward at an equal rate. Lower the dumbbells by bringing them near your chest and then quickly lift them again. Repeat for 8 times. The weight of the dumbbells should be enough to make the last repeat very difficult to perform. Perform 3 sets of this exercise. Exercise 7. This exercise will help you give an attractive and beautiful bust by stretching the muscles. Hold your dumbbells. Slowly bend the legs at the knee and incline your torso forward. Then, when you are inhaling, lift your arms to the side while keeping them slightly bent at the elbows. Your forearms must be parallel to the ground. Keep this exercise for 12 times. Perform 2 sets. Exercise 8. Squat down on the floor with your knees pointing up and your palms touching the floor behind you. Lower yourself down. Bend your elbow before you touch the ground. Push your body up again. Repeat this exercise 2 to 3 times.